My first train ride experience in an African city, Lagos. Ifegazie is a 5-year-old winner of African Spelling Bee. How I prepared: bath, wore our clothes and left for the train station. On the way to the station, the look of the train made me surprised. The name La Mata train was boldly written on it. Please get my book titled My First Train Ride Experience in an African city, Lagos, at only $1. Or click on the link below to purchase. Hard copies are available for school use or home reading. Mail to MindoBee at gmail.com. Remember that 20% of every purchase goes to the Literacy Project for out-of-school children and under-resourced children. And hey, please wait. Could you take some time to answer the questions at the end and also improve your vocabulary by finding the meaning of the words? They're on the back page. Thanks for watching my storybook. Bye!